You don't have time for downtime. You need a scanner that's fast, durable, accurate, and scans barcodes right the first time, every time. That's the Zebra 3600. You want tough. With this ultra-rugged scanner, reading in dusty, dirty, or wet conditions becomes a breeze. Drop it off to cement from 8 feet, and this machine continues to work like a machine. For higher productivity, it lets you capture virtually every barcode the first time. And that single reaffirming beep you hear, that is the sound of a job well done. You want stamina. The Ultra Rugged has the power to last a full shift and then some. Our Power Precision Plus Smart Battery is the longest lasting in its class. Toughness, power, performance. With the Zebra 3600 Ultra Rugged Series handheld scanner, unstoppable performance starts here.